Today I'm breaking down one simple question that separates winning punters from broke ones. What makes a bet smart, and what makes it desperate? By the end of this video, you'll never place the same bad bet again. This is betting breakthrough, smart bets only. Let's simplify this. A smart bet is planned, a desperate bet is not. That's it, but let's go deeper. A desperate bet comes from fear, comes from losses, pressure, urgency, and so on. A smart bet comes from information, patience, comes from discipline, accepting slow growth. If you're betting to fix something, you're already cooked. I'll explain. Of course, no one starts by being desperate. They become desperate after 3 situations. Losing streaks. You lose today, then tomorrow, then again. Now the mind says, I need one big win. That's desperation. You don't bet because there's value. You bet because you want your money back. This is the fastest way to wipe your balance. Another one is external pressure. Probably rent, food, or girlfriend, even friends flexing slips. Betting should never feel like survival. The moment betting feels urgent, stop betting. Here's signs that you're about to place a desperate bet, betting more than usual. Adding extra games for no reason, picking crazy odds, betting on leagues you don't know, saying, let me just try this one. That sentence has killed more balances than bad odds. Example, you normally bet 50 rands. Today you bet 300 rands on 9 games. Mixed sports, random teams, no research. That's not confidence. Now let's flip the script. A smart bet is boring. Yes, boring. Smart bet characteristics. Small number of games, 1, 2, 3. Leagues, you understand. Clear reason for every pick. Same stake size, comfortable losing it. Smart punters don't aim to be excited. They aim for consistent profit. You need to focus on the main goal, guys, making profit. I've spoken about this countless times on bankroll management. Desperate staking, all in, last money, let me try big. Smart staking, same amount every time, no emotions, no doubling. Smart punters protect capital first, profit comes second. If your stake makes your heart race, it's too big. Here's the mindset that changes everything. You don't need to bet today. There will always be another match, another weekend, another opportunity. Missing bets doesn't make you poor. Bad bets do. Slow money is real money. Slow motion is still motion. Remember, desperate betting equals fast losses. Smart betting equals slow growth. This is betting breakthrough, where we bet with brains and not emotions. Stay disciplined. Smart bets only.